So Sakura reached out to me 2 months ago to work in the magazine design for AMTA, the Dominican Republic chapter. Only made. So we'll be raining now. Yeah, let's get it. Right, so the general approach to this magazine was to basically create something that looked aesthetically pleasing, a lot of eye candy in there, modern with sans serif fonts, bright colors.
Yeah, and something student friendly.
Exactly.
You pick it up and you want to read it from the first page to the end without stopping.
Yeah.
That was the point. And they had a very good creative team that were giving feedbacks. Constructive ones, not the one that destructive. He wants to say, what are you talking about? But fantastic guys. They were very easy to work with, very understanding, and I would not say they were part of the project. They were part actively.
Alright, so our approach to the cover was to have something that displayed or showed the fact that medical students will have lives outside medical school. For example, here we have this fashion forward-looking female with a bag and a stethoscope and books inside.
Yeah.
And then some illustrations behind, and then obviously the cover titles for the page.
Yeah, medical-related illustrations you see, and if you take a closer look at this particular icon in medicine, that is the symbol of Caduceus.
Yeah.
So it's showing that it's flying, freedom. It's not just about the medical school where you're just centered on your academics only, which is very important.
Very important.
There should be other things you want to do and get done.
You mentioned that you got this project while you're writing exams. And then medical exams, final exam. So I've been in touch with them since February 2021. I sent them invoice, back forth, I reviewed. Then I was thinking they would come up and say, okay, now let's start the work after I finish my exams. Because it didn't seem like they were ready. But apparently, they had other plans. And they reached out to me 2 weeks to my exams. And fortunately, I was finishing mine.
So at that time, he was just about finishing his own.
Yeah.
And I was able
not final exams.
Not final. But I was able to buy some time. So I first worked on like 2 magazine, cover page concepts to just send to them to buy some time. Then we started the work about some days after, and it was very wonderful to work with, I must say.
Likewise. Alright, so our approach to the pages. I think the general idea for the pages was to have, like I said, eye candy. A lot of illustrative stuff, pictures. For example, we have this top 10 anime page with a lot of pictures of anime, and then a couple of other pages will look at. I have some favorite pages which I'll show you guys. Well,
I also do. I have favorite pages too, and a couple of them designed by him, a couple of them touched by myself. But all in all, it was a wonderful job. You want to see it, you want to buy it, but it's not for sale.
So I think my favorite pages are page 20 and 57. Yep, hair on a budget. I love it because it's bright, very picture centric.
And if you take a closer look at that page, you see that it's hair care, not just hair. It's natural hair.
Yeah, natural hair.
The author, the person that wrote that particular article, is a natural hair enthusiast. So the person was focused about that. And when I sent this page to her, she loved it. It's beautiful.
That's good to know.
Yeah. Then we have other ones too.
Yeah, page 57.
Yeah, page 57, the one about skincare tips in your 20s.
So there's something about having or working with a really good image. It can take your design from 20 to 100 if you will. So I really love this particular page design. So I think those are my two favorite pages.
Well, for me, I love this too. I mean, look at the pink. Lovely. Then you have the one on European Super League. We all heard the rumors that happened about the top 6 big clubs, England, Italy, Spain, and all that. And then you have this. And if you Google the branding for the Europa Super League, you see that they had this purple and tint, the purple blue tint that they have to their logo. So we had to incorporate that into the magazine itself, and it came out really well. Let me show you all the pages I like. That would be the page on K-drama. I don't watch K-drama, but I love the concept. Tito designed it and it was wonderful. When I sent it to them, no reviews, no corrections. Then if you look at the article page itself, there's this part where you have the articles and then this blank space or white space, as you would have it called, negative space, where it's just showing the overlay of the shots from different K-dramas. And love it. Any other one you like?
I like almost all the pages there.
Okay, this particular one, voluntary blood donation. And you see this blood dropping, right? So the concept was to make it illustrative and enticing. You feel like you want to donate your blood, right? Don't you? Well, you should really. And talking about mates, blood donation hurts? No, doesn't hurt. And then
so this magazine was designed in Adobe InDesign. So that's the industry standard for book designs, magazine designs. So in terms of print production, I think we exported to PDF.
Yes, PDF print version. There's a way you must ensure that you don't export anyhow. I tried it. I did it at least 4 times to be sure that I was sending the right PDF to them. In fact, what you normally do in InDesign is you package. Once you are done with your design, you package everything. It has the font, the links, the images, everything comes together in one folder. Right? And then in that folder, you don't want to assume that the preset settings are good enough for you to print. You still want to go check the settings, check the layout. If possible, you see some dotted lines showing you that this printing is going to come out the way you want it to come out. Okay. In the folder, in the PDF folder, you would also see that you want to be sure that this is in CMYK, and that is because of the printing. You don't want to take chances with the RGB or whatever. So you want to ensure that the exported PDF is in CMYK version, and you do that by exporting your own PDF just to be double sure. Except you've done the settings by yourself. But if you haven't, you want to be double sure, check out the settings and fill in the gaps.
Yeah, so that's it on the project.
Yeah.
It was a wonderful, I had a great time working on it.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And it was a great person to work with.
Likewise.
I tell you. It really was. I mean, strict with the deadline. Okay, fine. Let's keep that. Let's keep that.
Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Please, if you find this helpful, share. Someone on your contact list may find it, really good. So, see you soon.
Yeah, bye.